In today's video, I will show you how to perform a clean install of Windows 7. This can be used if you dislike the interface of Windows 8 or Windows 10. The tile-based UI can be hard to control with a mouse and keyboard. Windows 7 doesn't feature a tile-based interface, making it easy to control. We will begin by making a backup of any important files. You can use cloud storage or a USB. Also, if you have a hard drive with important files or documents, I recommend disconnecting it from your system to avoid corruption. Once that is done, you will need a Windows 7 ISO. I will link one in the description. You may also need a Windows 7 license key. This will depend on the edition of Windows you decide to install. If you don't trust the ISO you have downloaded, I recommend trying it out on the virtual machine before installing it onto your main computer. Once you have the Windows 7 ISO, download a program called Universal USB Installer. You will also need a USB with at least 8 GB of free space. We will make the Windows 7 ISO bootable off our USB using this program. Once that is done, boot into your PC's BIOS and set USB as the first boot option. Make sure that the second boot option is your main boot hard drive. Once that is done, you should boot into the Windows 7 installer. Make your way through the install process. Make sure to format your main boot drive. Also, delete any system reserved drives. Once Windows has installed, I recommend downloading the correct drivers for your motherboard or laptop. These can usually be found on the manufacturer's website. If this video has helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.